As a Revelation Wellness ambassador, I get to see women that are being restored out of sex trafficking learn, number one, their value. Number two, that they are free. Number three, that they can move their body in freedom and in joy and in worship to the Lord. They're not bound to anyone else. They're not bound to performance. They're not bound to obedience. They're not bound to shame. That you can be totally free, love your body in the state it's in, and just worship Him wherever you are. Revelation Wellness gave me lots of freedom. Gave me the ability to tear down walls. Gave me the ability to really see others without judgment. Lots of judgment coming through a lot of my history on the way we should look, the way we should be, and coming through Revelation Wellness really showed love and freedom and non-judgment within this great community. Revelation Wellness has enabled me to bring new understanding of their bodies, new understanding of God's love for them as a whole being to them. So what I learned from being a Revelation Wellness instructor and the tools and techniques and showing them how they can move their bodies and what true fitness means, I've learned all of that through Revelation Wellness, and bringing it to them, to these women, has empowered them to live as an heir to God. One of the women that I have worked with in Revelation Wellness over 2 years actually wants to come and be my apprentice or my alternate for my Revelation Wellness classes, because she has seen and felt the power. This is a woman who felt that any movement of her body was sinful, who felt that she could never be loved by anyone. And through Revelation Wellness, the ambassador program, and me being able to show her these tools and techniques, she has come alive. She walks upright and in power and in freedom, and the joy that comes across her face when she is in movement now, instead of shrinking back in shame from any movement, just the power that comes out of her body and love. It's transformational, truly transformational.